Guys, let me just say, this is the weirdest thing being back in front of the mic and behind the computer. Welcome back for the return of my YouTube channel, Captain Cruz. I can't even believe how long it's been because I never thought that I would ever stop uploading on it. And then I was focusing more on other things, which I guess it's not bad. But, lately I've been kind of missing what this channel has done for me and what it may have done for you. Even though it's not not a very big channel, but this is it's crazy being back, honestly. So we're on Roblox. I think it's called Twister. I can't ever remember the name of it. Unfortunately, I can't handle very high graphics at all. So we're just gonna do what we can, but we're gonna spawn in down in Hibbing. But yeah, so basically, why I've been gone so long, I've been putting in a lot of work on in bowling throughout these years, and then me and a couple friends of mine, we started up another YouTube channel. I've been kind of focused on that for the past year, 2 years maybe. But now that I have a little bit of free time, I mean the channel's still up, and I'll put the link in the description. It's the Squad Bowling, and it's pretty much only bowling content. We do bowling vlogs. We might get around to doing some other content at some point, but we don't have that much longer left, and I don't know what's gonna happen to the channel. I'm gonna try and take it, but we're all going to college very soon, so we'll see what happens with the channel. But I definitely would like to bring that with me along with this one, because I wouldn't mind bringing any of this back. So anyways, let's get right into it. So we're gonna get my car, spawn it in, and we're gonna get this first video in almost 2 years rolling. So conditions right now, oh wow. Well, there's still always a chance. You never know. But that is very, very low cape for today. Low temp, only forecasted to get to 68 degrees. Lapse rates are very, very low. Humidity 80. The humidity's all right, but look at that. And then day 2 looks a lot more promising, and day 3 even more so. But okay, so I mean maybe something will happen, because we're already over the forecasted rates for everything except for humidity. Dew point's gone up. Let's see. It's not looking very promising, but we'll definitely give it a shot. So my question for you guys, would y'all want me to start posting a lot more videos on this channel again? I wouldn't mind it, but if y'all are wanting it to come back, absolutely, I'll definitely start putting aside more time for this. This channel has come so far in the last I think it's been about 7 years. 7 years since I had my first video. And back then I was just recording with my Amazon Fire tablet, pointed at the TV while we were playing on the Xbox 360. And we were doing Minecraft and all that stuff. Those were, man, let me just say, those were the times. Those were absolutely the times. Nowadays it's just so different. All friends I used to get together with, some of them are graduated, some moved. I mean, they didn't move very far. I moved. I mean, y'all, well, I have uploaded since I moved, but I mean, it's just crazy thinking everything that's changed in the last 7 years. Actually, I think most of the changes have been within the last 3 years. Like 2019 was, I mean, that was like probably the best year. And then everyone started moving, and then everything got locked down, all that stuff. But now we're back, and you know what? We're gonna start absolutely making the most of this channel. Oh, there's hail. So this storm might produce. I don't. I mean, it's not very promising. Yeah, no. Okay, so the Cape is still 512. Okay, apparently there's an update that's gonna happen. I don't know. So, why's the? Could have sworn that button was for the radar. I know there's a key for the radar, but it's not working right now. Maybe there wasn't. It's been so long since I've gotten on this game. That's a big squall line right there, going all the way from Waukesha down to Mizpah. And I think we're right down somewhere. Where did I go? I don't even know. Did we spawn in Hibbing? Am I at an intersection with dirt roads? No. There's a tower right there. Oh, wait, is that? Okay, no, that's. Oh. Oh, well, would you look at that? I could have sworn I turned on a side road or something. I guess not. Oh, yeah, okay. I know. Okay, so we're facing south right now. We don't want to take that because that's a dead end. So we'll come down and get on this road right here. Actually, it'd probably be best to head back north and... Oh... It'd probably be best to head back north and get in front of the storm, but I think right now we're just going to try and get ahead of it. There's a tower right there. You can't really see anything. There's so much precip right now. I don't know. I just can't get over the fact that I'm finally back making a video. I didn't know if I was ever gonna come back. I thought I was just gonna be, focusing on other things, especially with college coming up. But yeah. Oh, more hail. Okay, more hail. And that's okay. There's rotation right in front of us. So we want to try and get there right. Oh, okay. Funnel dropping right now. I don't know. Is it gonna produce? It looks like it's just kind of holding there. I don't know if it's gonna drop. It's hanging there. I don't see anything on the ground. No debris cloud or anything, and it's going back. No. Oh, there's the there's the debris cloud. Confirmed tornado. Confirmed tornado. That's a Oh, this is like a... It's like way out from the main part of the storm. So this one's gonna be nice and photogenic. Look at that. Okay, we want to try and get in front of it somewhere. Oh, it's just going back up. Isn't it? Yeah, let's get on this dirt road. It's gone. Okay. Figures. Alright. Alright. So, let's take a look. Do we have any other options? Not really. Not really, we don't. There's like absolutely nothing. I'm sure the cape is still atrociously low. Still 512. I don't think it's getting any higher. It's going to be a cold, very staple day here in Keysota. So, I think... Oh, am I out of gas? I'm out of gas. And that's a warning. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Oh, I'm driving right underneath it. Come on. I gotta get back to Hibbing so I can get some gas. Oh, these are all dirt roads. This will be the quickest way back. Yeah. That's a nice, that's a nice structure right there. Nice cloud formations, all that stuff. I mean, the thing that's tornado warning though, it already produced and then it died. So, yeah, okay, it's gone now. So I don't know why the tornado warning was so late. Unless it's talking about another one outside of the map, but I doubt it. But let's focus on getting back to Hibbing right now. Something about protecting your body, I don't know. Oh my goodness. It's gonna take forever to get back to Hibbing, and it's right there. Probably because I let run out of gas. Definitely. Oh, okay. That's I think the storm is dying. It's only 2:49 in the afternoon. Okay, we're back in the rain. Just about. Bro, this is low key. A really nice setup right here. There's like storms over there. It's just a whole squall line of storms. And they're all like very high precip. Well, maybe not very high precip, but I mean somewhat, you know, at least moderate. And I can't drive. Okay. Oh yeah, and another thing actually. For any, or just a general question for you guys. Would y'all want me to do vlogs? I don't know if I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in, but I would not be opposed to it because I very much enjoy vlogging. Probably a little more so than video games these days, but you know, I'm getting back into it. So I don't know. But let me know down in the comments what y'all would like to see content wise. I'll see if I can make it happen. I don't know if I can like buy any games though, because I'm broke. Okay. probably saying the update is gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I don't think. I'm so confused. Who the heck said it's 12:46? It's 12:56. Okay. Alright, so I don't think we're getting any storms for a while. Oh, wow, okay, there's a tornado on the ground. Never mind. And that's just about due south. There it is. It's probably gonna die though before we get there. Is that even a tornado? Yeah, it is. Okay. Stovepipe EF0 looks like. Oh, it's already roping out. I didn't even get close. All right. Well, guys, for right now, that's probably gonna do it. I know it wasn't very eventful, but honestly, I'm probably gonna make a few more videos today. So, we'll see. Yeah, probably throw in a couple different games, but you know, definitely gonna probably have a few videos out today just because I'm really getting into this. So, see you next time.